Hello everyone. Now we have to discuss trig and link matrix from the given graph. So let us consider this is the given graph. From this, how many number of nodes we are having? 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, 4 number of nodes. And how many branches? Nodes are 4. Branches are 6. Right? If we have incidence matrix, that is the class of that incidence matrix is 4 by 6. If it is reduced incidence matrix, then it is 3 by 6. Right? Now we have to get first incidence matrix, then reduced incidence matrix, followed by fig matrix and link matrix. First I would like to get incidence matrix. Incidence matrix. Okay. Let us say that is AI. Okay. So what is that matrix? Okay. Let us say how many nodes? 1, 2, fourth rows. 1, 2, 3, 4 rows. Like that, branches. First column, second column, third column, fourth column, fifth column, sixth column. Then what are the values of this? 1, 1. It is away 1. 2, 1. It is away 1. Like that 3, 1, 0. 4, 1, 0. 5, 1. Anyway 0. 6, 1. Away 1. Right? 1, 1, 0, 0. Just you have to see the graph and get that incidence matrix. If it is away, plus 1. If it is oriented towards that node, minus 1. Like that, branch 1, 2. So here I am considering node 2, branch 1. 1, 2. Node 2 is what? This is node 2. So for that, branch 1, 0. Node 2. 2, 2. Oriented towards minus 1. 3 away 1. 4 towards minus 1. 5 there is no connection 0. Like that 6 there is no connection 0. Clear, right? Next, node 3. Branch 1 there is no connection 0. Branch 2 no connection 0. 3 branch 3 node 3 there is no connection 0. Like that branch 4 node 3 away plus 1. Branch 5 away. Branch 6 towards minus 1. Like that branch 1 node 4. Now it is time for node 4. See that node 4 branch 1 towards minus 1. Node 2, so branch to node 4 there is no connection 0. Like that 3 towards minus 1. 4 fourth branch and node there is no connection 0. Fifth towards minus 1. 6 there is no connection 0. Then you have to check the algebraic sum of column entries. See 1 minus 1 0, 1 minus 1 0, 1 minus 1 0, 1 minus 1 1 0, 1 minus 1 0, like that 1 minus 1 0 completed. This is the incidence matrix. Now we have to get reduced incidence matrix. Simple concept. This graph theory is very simple concept. Just you know the rules and procedure. That's it. You will get the answer. So reduced incidence matrix means what? We have to get a reduced incidence matrix by removing any one of the node. Right? For example, let us removing node 3. I would like to take node 3. Removing third row, that is third node. Then what is that? What we got? Simple. Third row is eliminated. This row is eliminated. Therefore 1 1 0 0 0 1 1 1 0 0 0 1. Next 0 minus 1 1 minus 1 0 0, like that. Minus 1 0 minus 1 0 minus 1 0. That's it. Reduced instance matrix is completed. Okay, now we have to get fig and link matrix. First we have to get the tree. Tree is what? It is providing all nodes and there is no closed path. So 1 2 3 4. First node, second, third, let us say this is 4. 1 2 3 4. Now first I would like to get tree. 1 to 2 completed, 2 to 3 completed, 2 to 4 is also now it is nothing but tree only. Now he provided completed. These are nothing but what? Link. So link completed, twig also completed. Twig is nothing but what? Any branch of a tree. Completed. Then the direction is what? This is given like this. This is like this. This is like this. Right? And this is downwards, downwards. This is also downwards. Completed. Right? This is 1 2 4 3 5 6. So twigs are what? How many twigs? Twigs are what? 2 3 4. Links 1 5 6. That's it. So these are the twigs and links are what? 1 5 6. So from this tree representation from graph. That's it. So from this we have to get the twig and link matrix. Therefore we have to get the matrix which is equals to okay, 2 3 4 represents what? Fig. 1 5 6 represented what? Links. Now let us take red color marker. This is 2 3 4, like that. Now here I am considering blue color marker 1 5 6. Completed. Now 2 3 4. From this reduced incidence matrix 2 3 4, this is 1 2 3 4 5 6, right? From this 2 3 4 you have to write, that is 1 0 0 minus 1 1 minus 1 0 minus 1 0, that is comes under twig matrix. So that is 1 0 0 minus 1 1 minus 1 0 minus 1 0, like that. 1 5 6 1 5 6, that is 1 0 minus 1 0 1 0 0 0 minus 1 minus 1 0. Let us consider 1 0 1 0 0 0 minus 1 minus 1 0. That's it. This is twig and link matrix representation. Right? This is twig matrix. This is link matrix. That's it. Okay, that is you can represent it as AT. This is what AL. Therefore, matrix of A, which is equals to AT AL, right? Therefore, AT is nothing but what? 1 0 0 minus 1 1 minus 1 0 minus 1 1. So from this, AT is non-singular matrix. This is about the concept of twig and link matrix. Just from the given graph, first you have to get the incidence matrix, later you have to get reduced incidence matrix. So from this we have to get the tree representation with along with that twigs and links. So we all know that from this graph which is represented with tree. So from this twigs are what? 2 3 4 are nothing but twigs only. Links are nothing but what? 1 5 6. So from this reduced instance matrix we are having this twig and link matrix. That's all about twig and link matrix representation. And finally, let us consider the number of trees in a graph. How to calculate the number of trees in a graph? So it may be noted here that the number of possible trees of a graph is nothing but determinant of A into A transpose. So where A is nothing but what? Reduced incidence matrix. AT is what? That transpose matrix of A. Thus, in order to find the possible number of trees in a graph, it is required only to find the determinant of A into A transpose. Just the number of trees from the graph is nothing but determinant of A into A transpose. So, for example, this is the given reduced instance matrix of a graph. One like that, he obtain the number of possible trees. Okay, from this, what is A transpose? This is A, right? This is A. From this, we are having A transpose. So, to get the number of possible trees, what is the formula? Determinant of A into A transpose, right? So, T is equals to means number of trees. This is number of trees. Determinant of A and A transpose. From this, we are having A into A transpose is what? Like this. What is the determinant of this? 3 into like this, we are having 16 number of, we are having 16 possible trees. So the number of trees are nothing but what? 16. So the formula is what? Determinant of A into A transpose to calculate the number of possible trees, where A is nothing but what? Reduced incidence matrix only. Okay, this problem is very important one. That's all about twig and link matrix and number of trees from the given reduced incidence matrix.